Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. Today we have October's Teakberry subscription box. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so October's Teakberry Stationery subscription box just arrived, and I'm super excited to see what is going to be inside. Now, last month I brought this one back, and I told you guys I wanted to bring it back for some time because I really did enjoy the products inside, and I absolutely love scrapbooking, stationery, that kind of thing. So I was really excited to bring it back. A lot of you guys really did love it. So we have it again. Now I do want to let you know, when I first placed my order was the beginning of last month, and they always ship within the first few days. I got that box, and then like a week later, I already got one saying that your new subscription is being sent. So I sent a message to the shop owner and I asked, I'm a little confused. It's only been a week and I already have a new box shipped to me. I just want to make sure it's not going to be the same September box. And she said, no, we actually send our boxes out towards the end of the month prior, so you get it in the beginning or maybe even sooner of the month that it's supposed to be in, because if there's any holiday things like that, you have it on the first, you'll have it for the whole month. And they also know how the United States Postal Service is a little slow sometimes, especially right now. We're going to get closer to the holidays. They're going to get slower and slower. So I actually appreciate a company taking all of that into consideration and shipping it out sooner, so you have it 100% on time for that whole entire month. So let's go ahead and get into October, because technically right now you're not going to see this video until the beginning of October, but right now today's date I think is the 21st of September, and I received the box for next month, but I'm going to unbox it now. You will just see this in October. So let's go ahead and get in and see what's going to be in the October box. And again, I'm really excited because I just love all the things that were in this box. So let's see a different variation. So they put it in a little mailer, and this is what is inside. So when we open her up, ooh, that is so pretty tissue paper. Oh my gosh. And you guys, most of everything throughout here can be repurposed. This tissue paper, it's not like stickered down, so there's no ripping or anything. It's perfectly intact. There's two different colors. You can definitely use this for any other gift bag, gift box that you're gonna do, or for scrapbooking, journaling, whatever. You can repurpose all of this. And then down inside, that is really pretty tissue paper though. Like, that is extremely pretty. Just need to point that out. And that's a sneak peek to what is on the inside. So for this month, we have this really big sticker here. It does have a thing where you can pull it off and you can stick it onto anything, and it's like made out of paper. A lot of these are handmade by the owner, and I don't know, I would never have the time to actually sit here and do so much like delicate, intricate things like this. So I definitely appreciate when you can get something like this. It's like little burned edges almost. That is super cute. So you have this little paper flower that you can use for anything. And then down inside of here is the stickers for this month. There's several different stickers on there. Let me remove the plastic so you can see it better. Okay, so here are the stickers for this box. Not two boxes are going to be alike. So I think that's neat as well, because even if you get this box and somebody else gets this box, you guys probably won't have the exact same contents inside. So that's really cool as well. So now we have like these little cards here. And again, you can use these for anything. This one says, hello, keep growing. Here is like a little gift tag, it looks like. That is really cute. That's a good idea. And then it says, I love you. Now we have it's a bigger one. It says, always be yourself with cute sunglasses. So that is really cute. You can do anything with that. It's like a thicker kind of piece of paper. And then it's just all white on the back. So now we're gonna get into like the little packages of goodies. So let me open this. And then in here, you can always reuse the bag if you so chose to. And then this is like a cardstock. You can always remove this and use this for scrapbooking or anything like that. So that's why I'm saying a lot of the paper goods that they use for packaging is good to save to use for anything as well. So that card I'm definitely going to utilize in another manner. But what was inside are these little, how cute. They're all like little flower shaped. Some of them will have double-sided. There's that. That one's really pretty. And then just the greens on the back. There's that. There's that one. Ooh, this one has butterflies. This one is double-sided. And then the last one that has like some glitter on it, if you can see that. That's super cute. So there's everything for that. Now down inside of here, and I just need to point out again, I did the last one, the way that they put these bags together with like the paper and then the little washi tape and then a little embellishment right there, it is super, super cute. So it's not just a normal standard plastic bag. They actually decorate it, which you can take that off and use it for anything else as well. So when you get into this, it's when we have little paper clips with some hanging things. It's just super cute. And you can definitely use this card for anything as well. And that is what that looks like. So you can just put this on, that would be a cute like little bookmarker too, if you wanted to like bookmark a page in your journal or a book that you're reading and just have that cute little thing just hang down out of it. But so you have the three, oop, I messed that one up a little. You have the three different little paper clips with the hanging things next to it. So there you go. Now you have on here, which you can, again, you can repurpose the ribbon and the card and everything. And then there are 3 different washi tape. So you have 3 different ones that you can use, and it's on this little thing, so you use as much as you want. You can leave it on there. And then here is a pencil for one. This is my favorite color, teal, and there's butterflies on it. Can you see the butterflies? Look how pretty. I've never been so excited for a pencil before. It's the little things, I tell you. It's the little things. And then down inside of here is going to be like the homemade envelopes that I think is adorable. And then there is a cardstock. So you can always use this ribbon as well that they have. Oop, there's the little squiggles attached. And yes, you can even repurpose all your little squiggles too for gift baskets or anything like that. But this ribbon you can reuse, repurpose. And then inside of here, this is the card, the pieces of paper for this month. It says, be your own kind of beautiful. On the corner, there's a little bird on the top, and both front and back is designed that way. So, and I think there was like 10 sheets the last time.
Yes.
So there is 10 different sheets that you can use front and back. And then here are the envelopes. So this one has like a little rustic kind of design to it with the different colors. That's really cute. So you have 1, 2, 3. That is just so cute. 4. That one says postcard all over it. That one is really cute. You have this one with little ice cream cones. There's that. That one's pretty. And then the last one is right there. So again, you have 10 envelopes. These are homemade envelopes. They're super, super cute. You have a few different sizes, I guess, just depending on how they're made. But that is so neat, especially if you wanted to drop a line, put it in an envelope, send it and mail it to somebody. You can always use like some stickers to close this because this is just paper, so it does not have like, don't start licking them. You can lick them all you want, but it's not going to do anything. How about that? It's just the paper. It doesn't have like the lickable like strip right there. So you can put a little piece of tape or a sticker to close it, and you're good to go. So that is everything that came in this October box, you guys. You have the 10 pieces of paper and the homemade envelopes, a ribbon that you can use for whichever, the washi tape. You have the 3 different paper clips. You have the set of all of these little cutouts. You have these other pieces of paper, the set of stickers, and this is the cutest little thing right here. That and a pencil. So that, you guys, was everything for the October box. Again, I absolutely love this stuff, so I'm so glad that I brought this back to show you guys. So comment down below, let me know, what did you think of this month's items inside. Do you want to get this? Let me know down below. If you want a little bit more information about this subscription box, it is $16.99 per month plus shipping. That is through Cratejoy. Cratejoy will actually calculate the shipping based on where you live. So everybody's shipping is going to be different. Some will be less, some will be more. It just depends on how far away you are from the shipping address. And again, that's all calculated by Cratejoy. If you do want to purchase a one-time box or just little items from their shop, I will link their Etsy shop down below as well. You can purchase it, and through Etsy, it has free shipping. So if you want to check that out, they will be linked down below as well. This box is perfect for those who love pen pals, letter writing, and snail mail. The product description would be each stationery box comes with 10 custom designed pieces of stationery and handmade envelopes. You will also receive other fun surprises such as die cuts, a pen or a pencil, the washi tape samples, gift tags, journal tags, and one package of my handmade stickers or embellishments. This box is perfect for pen pal swapping and sending fun mail. Items may include scrapbook paper, washi tape, handmade stickers, whimsical embellishments, and more. A special mix of both handmade items and curated paper goods from top brands. So not everything is handmade, but they do make a lot of them, and I think that's so cool. Beautiful stickers and paper craft embellishments to share with others, add to cards, letters, and gifts. You can cancel at any time, but again, you can get just the individual box from their Etsy shop, a one-time box anytime you want to go and grab one. So I will link that all down below for you guys to check out if you would like. Again, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.